Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I am going to teach you how to install WordPress on a local server. So follow me in this video and never miss any step. Built for the Linux-based computer. But about all of these can be used in any operating system. Now currently I am running a Windows 10 operating system, so I will demonstrate to install XAMPP and WAMP. So follow me. Now first of all, open your browser and in the search bar search for the XAMPP. Now open that link apachefriends.org. Now you can see the web page. You can download it according to your version of a window. As I am running Windows 10, so I will download it for the Windows. It's also available for the Linux and also for the Mac. Now I will click on the Windows and it has started to download. I have already downloaded, so we may continue on. Now as you can see that I have already downloaded the XAMPP. Now we will install it. Now click on the XAMPP and run it. Okay, as you can see that I have opened the installer for the XAMPP. Now click on the next. Now you can see its component. It will install Apache, MySQL, FileZilla and many other. Basically we require Apache and MySQL to run the WordPress, because WordPress is based upon the PHP and MySQL. So now we will click next. Now select the path to install the XAMPP. Currently I am installing on the C drive. Now click on the next. Now uncheck learn about Bitnami for XAMPP. It's optional, it's up to you. Now click next to install the XAMPP. It may take up to few minutes to install the XAMPP on your computer. So finally XAMPP has completed its installation. Now click on the finish. Now select the language. I am selecting English and click on the save button. Now XAMPP control panel has opened. Here we can start the services Apache, MySQL, FileZilla. We only require Apache and MySQL to run the WordPress. Now we follow the other steps. Now open your browser and search for the WordPress. Open wordpress.org and download WordPress, the latest version of the WordPress. I have already downloaded the WordPress, so we may continue on. Here you can see that I have already downloaded the WordPress, so we may extract it. Now right click on it and click extract here. Now the files are extracted. Now open the folder and copy all these files. Now open your C drive and open the XAMPP folder present over there. Here you can see that this is the XAMPP folder. Now search for the htdocs. This is present here. Open here and now create a folder. Name the folder as you want to name the website. Such that I am naming is WP. Now paste all the files over here. Now the files has been successfully copied. Now open the XAMPP and run Apache and MySQL. As you can see that Apache is running on the port 80. It has been successfully run. Now open your browser and search for localhost /php myadmin. Now it is opening. Now move to database and create a new database. You can give any name to the database, but it is preferably to give the name as the same as you give name to the folder in the htdocs. So I am giving it the name WP and create a database. Now the database has been successfully created. Okay, so now we will install the WordPress. So follow me. In the search bar, type localhost / the name of your website. Now wait for few seconds. Now select the language for your WordPress. I am selecting English. Now click on the continue. Now click let's go. Now type the name for your database. As we have given the name WP, so we type it over here, the username. Username is the name that is used to access the database, as it is by default is root. Now in the place of password, we haven't set it, so remove the placeholder password written. Now just click submit. Now run the installation. Now the title for your site, username, I am currently typing admin, and a password. If you are using a weak password, click confirm use of weak password and then install WordPress. And you have also need to enter an email address. Now click install WordPress. Now the WordPress has been successfully installed and we need to log in it. So type your username and a password to log in into WordPress dashboard. So here we are, it's our dashboard. So we can continue and create a WordPress website over here. We can view our site by here, clicking on the view site. And this is our website. This is a default WordPress template and everything is default. We can customize it as according to our choices. Thanks for watching this video. In the next tutorial I will teach how to install it on the XAMPP server. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also click on the bell icon to get the latest notification.